Hello students, so next we continue with part 4 of chapter 5 with exercise 5.2 question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So according to question, third term is A plus 2D, it is 12. There are 50 terms, so last term will be A50. It is A plus 49D, 106. So these are the two equations from the given one. Again we use elimination method. Minus 47D is minus 94. Negative terms cancelled, so D is 2. When I put D as 2 in the first equation, I will get A as 8. Now A 8 and D 2. Now I want 29th term. This is A plus 28D, 8 plus 28 into 2, 8 plus 56, 64. In this way we can find any unknown term if two terms are given. So next question number 11. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? So let nth term of the AP is 132 more than its 54th term. Here A is 3 and D is 12. First, I will find nth term. I don't know n here. So, it will be 3 plus n minus 1 into 12. 3 plus 12n minus 12. This is 12n minus 9. Now, we will find 54th term. This is A plus 53D. A is 3 and D is 12. It will be 639. Now we put the values in the equation first. An is 12n minus 9 and A54 is 639 is equal to 132. So 12n will be 132 plus 639 plus 9. 12n is equal to 780 and n will be 65. So 65th term of the AP is 132 more than its 54th term. So next question number 13. It's again an important type. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So 3-digit numbers starting from 100, 101 up to 999. We will take 3-digit numbers but divisible by 7. So 100 after 100, 105 is the first number divisible by 7. Then 112 and last number is 994. So we have an AP now with A as 105, D as 7 and this is the last term. I want to find N. Using the formula A plus n minus 1 into D, 994, A 105 plus n minus 1 and D is 7. Now for simplification, A will be shifted 994 minus 105 n minus 1 into 7. 994 minus 105 by 7 is equal to n minus 1. Now you will simplify it to find n. It is 127 plus 1, 128. So there are 128 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. So next question number 17 from the same exercise. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 to 53. Earlier we were finding the 20th term from the beginning. Now we will find 20th term from the last. Whenever to find the term from the last, taking AP in reverse order or starting from back, because we want the term from the back. It will be 253, 13, 8 and 3. Now I have A as 253 and D as -5. I find 20th term from the back. It is A plus 19D, 253 plus 19 into -5 and 253 minus 95. It is 158. So whenever to find the term from the back, you will reverse the AP from the back. Last term will be the first and common difference will be changed with the sign. So let's take question number 18 now. Sum of 4th and 8th term is given. Sum of 6th and 10th term is given. We need first 3 terms of the AP. A4 plus A8 is 24. A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is 24. 2A plus 10D is 24. Or A plus 5D is 12. This is the first equation. Similarly, we will make the second equation. A6 plus A10 is 44. A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is 44. 2A plus 14D is 44. Or A plus 7D is 22. So in this way, we are able to make 2 equations. A plus 5D is 12 and A plus 7D is 22. Again by elimination, minus 2D is minus 10 and D is equal to 5. When I put D in equation 1, I can find A. A will be 12 minus 25 minus 30. Now I have A as well as D. So first term minus 13 plus 5 minus 8 and minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. In this way we can find the first 3 terms of the AP. So this was all about exercise 5.2. In your homework, you will complete exercise 5.2 for today. Thank you.